Hello there everyone. Okay, so I woke up this morning and I'm in a huge glittery mood. And what best to do when you're in a huge glittery mood? Make something absolutely sparkly. This is one of my favourite moulds, so it made absolute sense to come and create something in this pretty. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to do a base colour with the interference purple. It's beautiful, beautiful pearl colour, and then I'll add some iridescent white glitter to that, and then I'll leave a small piece for the top so that we've got I can put a layer over at the end, and once it's gelled a bit, and then I'm going to fill the top with the Mermaid glitters, and then we'll see how much glitter you can physically get in a butterfly mould, basically, which, why not? We can, so we will. Right, keep watching and let's see how far we can go. Wow, these came out stunning. I can't even, I hope the camera's picking that up, I can't even begin to tell you how sparkly these are. I was in a glittery mood. Wow, and I got glitter. A little bit tough to unmould, but only because of all the sections. There we go, and the mould goes back pretty well. So the inside's pretty, like you can see all the colours from the reverse. The back's stunning. A couple of little cleanups on the edge, but I'll do that with my files and tools. Got some files here, and I'll just go around taking off all the edge of the glitter. But be careful you don't scratch the side, so come in at an angle and just take the glitter off the edges. So I'll do that and then we'll be back. Okay, so we're all cleaned up. It is amazing. The sparkles are amazing. Now I'm not sure, because of the lights, whether you can capture the sparkles. But it's so sparkly that it's bouncing off my lights. See if I can turn my light down and you can get a better look. See if that's better. It is beautiful. Oh, careful. And it's so sparkly inside because of the pearl powder and the glitter. You could embellish this with hearts if you liked, or anything on the top. I've got some little hearts that I haven't decided if I want them on yet, but we'll see. I think it's so sparkly it doesn't really need anything. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you did like this video. It's much appreciated. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye!